All right, what's going on, everybody? My name's Dustin the Fever. Welcome to the Mortgage Minute. Here's your November edition. Let's get started. Inflation shows signs of cooling. This is great news. Inflation is a lagging indicator, and it's been very hard for top economists, Bank of Canada, to pinpoint where this is going to go over the next few months. But now it's looking like more signs are pointing towards rates coming down, maybe not in the near future, but 2024. Get to that in a sec, though. 3.1% is the CPI for October. That is down from 3.8% in September. That is great news. This is a really nice graph here that I found from CBC. And you can see here when in the past inflation's been an issue, we increased the rates quite quickly. We were very slow to the party when it came to our big problem here with COVID. And you can see it got quite out of control. Well, we've just been kind of catching up. Now we're seeing the results. So it's really hard for them to try and predict the perfect landing point. But it's looking a lot better now. They have some more information. One number that I really like in particular is if you were to take away the mortgage cost from inflation, we'd be sitting at 2.2%. So it goes to show in the background things are working. Food is still a bit high, but it is down from last year. And gas is the biggest decelerator. With gas prices coming down, that has helped our inflation numbers a lot. Next, we're going to go into top economists predict rates decline mid-2024. Now, when I first heard this, I kind of thought, okay, there's a few economists that have said this. Now there's more on board with this date, and it's looking good. This graph, of course, as you can see, helps justify that. So looking forward to hearing more in the new year. We could see rates come down mid-2024. Let's hope. The bond market, though, this has been good. Last month we were pretty up and down with the bonds. We actually had a rise in rates at the beginning of October. Now we've actually seen a steady decline throughout November, which has been great news for those looking to get a fixed mortgage. And it's just showing signs of stability, but also lower fixed rates and less fluctuation. Now, rates aren't coming down as fast as the bond market is because there still is other factors that go into play with the fixed rates, but we have been seeing them steadily come down, and this is another sign that's pointing to good news in 2024. What does this mean for potential buyers? Well, once interest rates start to go down and the word gets out, it's going to pick up the demand in the market. We're going to see house prices start to increase in certain markets again, and I think now would be a good time to reach out to your professional, your mortgage broker, your realtor, and just start that conversation and start building your plan and strategizing to look at either getting your first home, purchasing your next home, whatever your goals are, but just getting your ducks in a row so you're confident, you're ready, and it's not stressful, and hopefully you come out with a big win when it comes to buying your next property. Where are rates right now? So this is nice. Last month we were at about 5.94 for insured purchases. Now we're looking at about 5.64. 3-year insured is still the most popular product. Now I did some math to actually make the 3-year worth your while. Instead of taking the discount on the 5-year, rates need to go down by about 1.5% to make up for the discount. So just something to consider. If you don't want to have to go through qualifying again, a 5-year is a good option, but 3-year is the most popular product so far this year. Variable looking like a good option because if rates go down, your variable rate will go down with it. And also they have lesser prepayment penalties if you want to break the mortgage and refi later, depending on what your strategy is. Bank of Canada meeting dates. December 6th is the last meeting of 2023. And then I've shared here all the meetings for 2024. So if you're on a variable rate mortgage, throw those in your calendar. It's good to know when they meet so you can be aware of potential changes. Thanks for watching. You can reach me on multiple platforms. If you have any questions, just shoot me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, have a great day and take care.